still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego. Hit around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go.
Oh man, love me up, me have bump and I'm afraid.
And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Let's get comfy. The first product is that look dirty. Alright, the first product is the e.l.f. putty primer. They say you're supposed to prime before you do your makeup, so I'm just go along with it honestly. But look like I too much. It look dirty, but
I just want a rough neck nigga on the tongue. Bitches wanna send me automatic with a drop.
so don't judge me. I use this got to be glue for my brows. Yeah.
Like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego. Hit around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it.
You know, say I want man love me up and me have bump on my fire. You know, I use black BLK concealer as foundation, but I also have this is LA Pro concealer, but just use the rest of it that I have. What I do is I go over where I know I have discoloration.
On the window. He says she's so sweet, they gon' wanna lick the rap up. Let them taste the then I kick them out right after. Got these niggas vexed cause I curve them when I want. Get his wing pushed back if the nigga try to fall. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they don't play with it.
I think that's cute. So next is the concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Chestnut. So we're gonna make triangles. Yeah, me look mad. Is that bad? I don't think it's bad. It's what I like to use. So I dip like an angled brush like this into the black lipstick, then just dry my brows. I fill them in. I just love it. I just do anything I feel like though. So let's use the powder from now. Just figure that out of the way or whatever. So next thing is contour and bronzer. Kind of blend. I don't know what this one's name. Profusion Cosmetics bronzer. It has 6 shades, and I'm gonna use Maldives because they said it's the darkest color, but it don't look that dark to me. But yeah, so put it right here. We're gonna wash out. Okay, yeah, more bronzer because yeah, wash out. So next thing is blush. I put on bronzer, I put on contour. My blush is really light. The Milani blush. like to put some of the contour color where my eye is. So it's dark. It would be like putting on some eyeshadow, but I think it's pretty when I see that. No. So what I'm gonna do now is put some white liner, not a white, just a white here, black liner under my eyes. Okay, now I look emo.